You who are working through the photosynthesis lab, there is a small mistake in the procedures on step 6 of experiment 1 part 1, where on step 6 it says close the door. So I'm going to show you guys how to go through steps essentially 1 through 10 really quickly so that you can figure out how to get to the end of that spot. It is a little tricky, and I have called them about that process, and so hopefully they will get that changed. So if you open your lab simulator by clicking the icon over on the left and then enter the lab with your PPE, I'd usually skip the animation. It says the very first thing you're supposed to do is pull down a light box, and then you grab yourself a 250 ml Erlenmeyer flask. Step 3 says grab some Eladia and put that into your flask. And then put 100 milliliters in step 4 of 0.1 molar sodium bicarbonate. So we're going to type 100 milliliters and add that. You can see it increasing right here. At this point, step 5 says for you to record your plant name. So Eladia is that. The solution, sodium bicarbonate, so you can use that for later. And then in step 6, it says place this whole thing in the light box. And then see here where it says close the door. Well, you can't close the door. First, you have to do steps 7, 8, and 9, and then close the door. So to do this, to change these numbers, you have to click this button on the right-hand side. So click that, and it makes it where you can change the values. So we'll change it to 120 minutes, which is step 9. 20 degrees Celsius, which is step 7, and the intensity is on 5, which is step 8. So sorry I did that out of order. Now that they're at the correct values, click that button again and it closes the door, runs the experiment for you, and then you can move on to part 2. Sorry for the confusion, and I hope that helps.